Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable an extension in incognito mode in Chrome on your PC. Today, we'll show you the simple steps to take control of your extensions while browsing privately. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome by clicking on its icon. Step 2. Look for the More button at the top right corner of your browser window. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Hover your cursor over Extensions in the menu. This will open a submenu. Step 4. From the submenu, select Manage Extensions. You will be taken to a page where you can view all your installed extensions. Step 5. Find the extension you want to disable in incognito mode and click on Details next to it. This will open the extension's details page. Step 6. Within the extension details, you'll see the option Allow in Incognito. Simply toggle this option off to disable the extension while using incognito mode. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the extension in incognito mode. It's as easy as that. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy browsing.